Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, October 11th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Having Honest Friends. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a passage from Thich Nhat Hanh. If you tell me you already understand, I feel a little pessimistic. If you say you do not understand, I feel more optimistic. This Vietnamese monk, so renowned for his insight, helps us remember that no one can live up to their image of themselves. We can only live our questions. I have learned from both sides, from being the one with all the answers and from being the one with all the questions, that there is no real bond with others until we share the evidence of who we are and not just our conclusions. It's taken a long time, but I finally get it. I cannot have both truth and love in my life until I speak from the I and stop putting all my pain into you, until I own all my stumblings and stop projecting my misfortunes onto everybody else. I have a friend. His name is Alan. We have known each other for 21 years, across 18 states, and through storms we swore we would never let up. We held each other when marriages failed, through accidents and cancers. We held each other up when our grandmothers died. I have seen him in the rain where words can't reach him. I have even seen the rain that is his alone. Sorry, let me read that again. I have seen him in the rain where words cannot reach him. I have even seen the rain that is his alone. And here, now, because we've dared to open our small windows to each other, because we've broken down in front of each other with fragments of what we thought was truth, we have the privilege of asking again, as if for the first time, who are you? I look at him after all these years, without protection, and I say, I want to know you. Whatever you have withheld, whatever I have not been able to hear, let us sit in the clearing and understand each other like old birds whose wings are used now more to huddle than to fly. Having an honest friend, one before whom you can dump all your heart's pockets and still feel that you're worth something, is a form of wealth that will buy you nothing but will give you everything. And mysteriously and rightly, to find such a friend, we must be such a friend. Whew, oh my God, this is such a beautiful, beautiful reflection. Now, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix in this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. This reflection is around risk. So now take a moment to bring to mind someone you would like to be closer to. Imagine this person, maybe feel their presence, maybe say their name. Breathing deeply, recall a belief you have expressed to this person. What was that belief? And reflect a little bit on the personal experience that led you to this belief. Maybe you don't have it anymore, maybe you do, but you expressed it to that person you want to be closer to. So what made you believe in that? Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can find safety in your breathing. Just knowing that inhale and exhale sustains life, makes you safe. And make a vow to share some of this experience the next time you are together with this person, so that this person can understand you better, so you can be a little bit more honest with them, feeling safe at the same time. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I find deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.